Welcome back. This is Chile Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and all my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also talk about dividend stocks and business ventures that generate passive income. Well, today we're going to talk about those top stocks. Please, if you're new, click the subscribe button and notification bell to get the frequent updates. Okay, so I'm on my Instagram page, and some of the top stocks it was today. Tesla was up slightly as the day closed 1.44%. Apple was up 0.88%, almost a percent. Amazon was up 1%. Walmart was up 1.46%. And Dollar Tree was up 1.25%. So it was a pretty decent day. It was a mixed bag. So you have a mix of value stocks and dividend stocks. You have a growth stock, Tesla, which does not pay a dividend. And then you have American Tower, which does pay a dividend. Again, you have Apple pays a dividend, and then you have Amazon that does not pay a dividend. Then you have Walmart, which pays a dividend, and then Dollar Tree. Okay, so that was a great picture today. It was a mixed day of value stocks and growth stocks, but for the most part, the day started off very choppy and down. Basically, the news came out that Nvidia and AMD are banned from the China market. So AMD and Nvidia were down on the day as the news broke that the federal government has banned the chips in China. Okay, so basically Nvidia and AMD do a lot of business there, and that brought the stock market down early. Also, one of my favorite stocks, Okta, a cloud stock, it missed on its earnings, and from there the stock dropped over 38% on the day, over 38%. It was doing well up until they had the earnings call yesterday. And so they are currently merging with another company that they're not merging. They acquired a company called OXY last year, and they have two Salesforce. They have Salesforce that sells basically Okta products and Salesforce that sells the products that they acquired. So it's very frustrating. But Okta believes in the future that identity management software is strong, and so they can rebound from this, okay? But on the day, on the week, the stock literally dropped over 30%, okay? So that was not good news for a tech stock. Again, they have a lot of future growth potential and also enterprise growth on contracts, okay? So the CEO spoke earlier today. He believes they can fix the issues in the coming quarter. But check out Okta's earnings call. I'll leave the link below on the investor relations so you can check out what happened on the call. Okay. But now if we go back to the Robinhood portfolio today, it was up 1%. And as I stated, we opened and the market tumbled. It tumbled. And then as the day came on, it came back up. So that was good news. Stocks rallied. So even if you were a trader today and you did a put early, when stocks fell, you made money. And then later on in the day, the second half of the day, you might have done a call. You would have made money today on certain stocks, okay? So it was just a weird day. Again, the negative news of Nvidia and AMD chips being banned from China sent the tech stocks into a free fall, okay? So let's take a look at the stocks that did rally today. We had Amazon was up 1.13%. We had Google up 1.75%. We had Chipotle, CMG Chipotle was up 1%. Let's see what else we had. We had Meta or Facebook up 1%. We had the Revolve Group up 3%. And we had Tesla, as I mentioned earlier, at 1%. Also Costco. Okay, Costco is a great stock too. They do pay a dividend. It is one of the biggest box retail store, and they make a lot of money off memberships. Okay, so Costco has been flat for the last month or so. If we look, the stock over the last 3 months is up 12%, but over the last month, the stock has been very flat. But this is a great stock to be in. Again, Costco is a dividend paying stock, and pretty much it's like Home Depot. People are never going to stop going to Costco because of the great wholesale prices of foods and services and products. They even have furniture, and I think even they sell cars. So Costco, again, is a great dividend stock. If you haven't looked into the stock, please check into it. Costco, again, trades anywhere from around $4.97 all the way up to 500 and something dollars. So if we look at the stock from last year, the stock peaked out at right at about $600, and since then has come down all the way down to $416. But check out Costco; it is a dividend-paying stock. Okay, so when stocks like this go in the red, please look into purchase them and research them. Okay, so that's Costco today. Up slightly 1%, but again, they do pay a dividend. All right. So those were the top stocks. Let's quickly take a look at the news. Quickly, Apple employs Oklahoma petition to unionize the store. Okay, that's one of Apple's stores. Social media giant Snap disbands its Web3 team and amid mass layoffs. Okay, so if you didn't know, Snap, the social media giant, has been down over 50% this year, and also they're having mass restructuring. Okay, so on yesterday, the CEO, Aaron Spiegel, announced that they were going to have a new role, and two of their key people were leaving, I think, to go to Netflix. Okay, but not a good look for the Snap. They had to lay off some people. Well, they're laying off masses of people, but also some key executives left. But on that news, today they're up 5.79%. Okay. Again, stocks moving. AMD and Nvidia, both, as I mentioned earlier, due to the U.S. banning the chips in China, is causing a serious problem. Nvidia already down another 8%, and AMD down 2.45%. Okay. Push to shorten U.S. Mint permit review process gains steam. Okay, so this is Ford. They are building several manufacturing plants. That's manufacturing of cars and also of battery plants. Okay, so Ford making moves. Again, I like the price. Ford is holding at about $14 per share. So take a look at Ford. Okay. Apple, Tesla, and Amazon stocks in the danger of first closing below 50-day moving average in nearly 2 months. Okay, so they were close to doing it, but then the stocks bounced late in the day. So there's good news for see Amazon and Tesla and Google bounce lately during the day. Okay, I like these stocks, Amazon, Tesla, and Google. If we take a look at Google right now, it's still trading right around $110 per share. So it's still holding that price where it's split at. I like that. It's giving a lot of new investors opportunity to buy into the stock. Okay. All right. So those were some interesting stocks today. And let's quickly take a look at the other portfolio. Again, we're going to look at the top stocks, which was Tesla, 1.44% for a total of $195 today. This is after 3 days of being down, but it did rebound from all the way down from $295 in the last week down to $279, and then it quickly bounced today back up from $275 up to $279. Second place was AMT. As I talked about earlier in the video, American Tower, another dividend-paying stock, was up 1.41%. And third, Apple. Apple was up almost 1%, 0.89%. Again, remember, Apple releases the new iPhone next week. At the conference, they also are releasing the new iPhone watch, announcing it as in their conference. So, you know, Apple has great products in the pipeline. Again, this may be a great time to take advantage of buying Apple as well. Again, Amazon was in my third place, up 1%. And also Google getting into the action, up 1.64%. But some of the other better stocks to be in too as well, value place, is Walmart. Walmart was up 1.46%, and Dollar Tree. Okay, Dollar Tree is a great stock. Trades anywhere from $137 and has traded as high as $160. So don't count out Dollar Tree. Also, another stock, if you're interested, is Dollar General. So I like both of those company, Dollar Tree and Dollar General. Both of those are staples, so check those out as well. But let's quickly take a look at some of my stocks that lost a lot of gain today. Number one was Okta. Okta, like I said, was down over 30% today after a bad earnings call and the news on some mismanagement of some Salesforce. They have, like I said, they're still merging part of the Salesforce of the company they purchased. Again, the stock dropped over 30% today. It may be a great time to pick up Okta, as this is a great stock that one time traded a little over $100, and I think they will be back. Okay, so Okta down 30%, and another one of my favorites today down a lot was Nvidia. Okay, trading at a little below $138. Again, this has to do with China or the U.S. banning the chips in China due to the artificial intelligence technology in the Nvidia chip, as well in the AMD chip. Okay, so those were some stocks that were down. One stock that you might have want to took advantage of today was ChargePoint. Again, they just came off an earnings call on Tuesday, talking about how they were growing the company. I think ChargePoint still may be able to break out, and I think it's at a great price of $15 per share. It may go back to $20 per share pretty soon. Okay, so those were some interesting stocks today. Again, technology-wise, it was Okta, AMD, Nvidia, which fell dramatically. But again, the top stock of this portfolio today was Tesla. Tesla was up over 1.4%. Apple was up 0.88%. Amazon was up 1%. And also Google was in on the action, up 1.64%. So I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Robinhood link below. And everybody have a good week.